Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan 2020 Part 18. I am your host Akib Ullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
In this episode, we'll be discussing how to identify and treat common cucumber diseases.
We'll also try to answer some of your questions that you may have raised on the comment section.
As always, we'll be giving you an update on our vegetable garden, so don't skip. Watch the video till the end and please don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, Dad, let's start gardening.
Let's start gardening. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make homemade pesticide to treat some of your cucumber diseases.
Many of you have been asking in the comment section, why are your cucumber plants wilting?
If your cucumber plants are wilting during the day and by night time it recovers, there is an issue with the water. The soil must be too dry. However, if the cucumber plants are wilting during the day and it does not recover by the night time, that is caused by a bacterial disease. Cucumber bacterial wilt is caused by cucumber beetle injuries. If your cucumber plants are wilting due to beetle injuries, it's not a lot you could do. If you have one or two leaves wilting, best to cut it off. But however, if you have it on the whole plant and it's not recovering, there's not a lot you could do. But prevention is better than cure. We will show you how to keep the beetles away from your cucumber plants using homemade pesticide. We'll also show you how to identify powdery mildew and how to treat powdery mildew using your homemade pesticide. Okay, let's try to identify some of the disease on the cucumber plants. As you can see, this plant is nice and healthy on the top. The stem is looking nice and green. As we come down, the leaves are really nice and green, and it's also producing lots of cucumbers. It's doing okay, but as I come closer to the right side, okay, can you see?
Yeah, you can see these leaves are
leaves has
powdery mildew.
It has powdery mildew on it. It also has some
like
yellowish spots on the leaves, and it has yellowish on the side of the leaves.
Dad, what are we going to be doing about this? Our cucumber leaves have powdery mildew on it, and some of our leaves are starting to get yellow spots. What are we going to do, Dad?
I think actually we're gonna make a solution out of baking soda and neem oil, and we're gonna spray it thoroughly onto the cucumber leaves and the plant. And some of them who are affected too much will chop them off.
It's really sad chopping our cucumber plants off. We've worked so hard for them, but we're going to be trying to save some of our cucumber plants by spraying some baking soda and neem oil onto them.
To make this homemade pesticide, we need baking soda,
Neem oil
and
dish soap
or washing up liquid.
Most people have baking soda in their kitchens to do some baking cakes, and you might have not heard of neem oil, but you can buy neem oil from the chemist. Everybody has dish soap to wash their dishes with. You will need a sprayer. We're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 gallon of water.
So we're adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
That's 2. Now we just need to add the neem oil and the dish soap. We're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of neem oil. Don't drop it.
So those of you who are not familiar with neem oil, you can buy neem oil from your local pharmacy.
It doesn't smell that nice. Smells bitter.
This is why it will keep all the pest away.
Yeah, we normally use neem oil for like mosquitoes when we're out in the night doing some gardening, and when the mosquitoes are out we put this on, and because the mosquitoes don't like the smell of neem oil.
It works as a repellent, doesn't it?
Yeah, the mosquitoes don't like it because of the smell. It smells really bitter.
One tablespoon of dish soap or washing up liquid.
There we go. Get all that in. And now what you need to do is dissolve all the mixtures together. Make sure you give it a good shake to help it dissolve faster.
You have to do it harder, Kate. More strength needed.
It's really heavy. This is a prevention, not a cure. The leaves that have powdery mildew, we're actually going to be chopping them off. Look how much we have on this leaf.
Not a cure, this is a prevention. So we're going to spray the solution onto the cucumber plants now thoroughly, so preventing it happening again.
Yeah. Spray thoroughly around on top of the leaves and under the leaves, just like this.
This cucumber plant looking so healthy on the top, but on this leaf at the bottom is starting to get powdery mildew. So spray properly at it. Make sure you do the bottom of the leaf. Yes. Most people would have cinnamon powder in your kitchen, in their kitchen. If you don't have cinnamon powder, you may have cinnamon stick. Ground them and make the cinnamon into a powder. Cinnamon powder is really good for pest repellent and fungus diseases. I tend to add powdered ground cinnamon powder onto the base of the plant, especially chili plants and lemon plants. Most lemon plants, most people have problem with ants in the lemon pot. So if you add cinnamon powder, you'll find your ants will stay away. Always add cinnamon powder to your chili plant, at the base of your chili plant. You could also make a spray out of it. You could add 2 tablespoons into a half a gallon of water, and leave it soaked in for a few hours. And then what you need to do, drain that water through a filter, maybe like a coffee filter, and then use that water to spray onto your chili plant or your lemon plants or cucumber plants, and you'll find you keep aphid attack. You will stop aphid attack. Again, these are prevention, not cure. You can add cinnamon powder to your indoor plants on the base of the pot, and you'll find you keep the flies and pests away.
Just in case you missed our last video, we made a fantastic video. If you haven't watched that video, we'll leave the link in the description down below. We made a video on 5 tips to get more chilies from your chili plant. It's a very informative video, and I highly recommend you to go check that out. Let's give you a quick update on our vegetable garden. Look at our lemons, they're doing fantastic. Wow, we're getting so many new lemons.
Yeah, we're doing quite well with lemon plant this year.
I love the smell of fresh lemons. Behind me is our Kerala gas, bitter gourd, and it's already starting to fruit. We grow lots of Kerala in our garden. My mum and dad love Kerala. They love the taste. I really like Kerala as well. Look.
We're getting lots of fruits from this plant. We have quite a few plants this year in Kerala, and we're getting lots of fruits.
This year the weather has been very unpredictable. Right now it just started to rain. Look. Oh. The weather this year has been very unpredictable. Like a few weeks ago we had this hailstorm that was so crazy. Now it's time to harvest some garlic. We have planted these garlic last October, and as you can see the leaves have died off. It's time to dig these up and see what's under the earth. Let's dig this whole patch up. Wow, I got some nice sized garlic here. Look.
Oh, they're looking pretty good.
Yeah.
We have some fresh garlic today.
Look, some more. Oh.
We only planted a few garlics last October, but inshallah we're going to try to grow a lot of garlic this year.
Oh wow, fresh garlics. Garlics are really good for you. I love having garlics with my rice. We're going to be having so much fresh garlic today. These are our coriander seeds. This year we'll be using our own coriander seeds. We'll be collecting them really soon. Inshallah we'll be making a video on how to collect your coriander seeds. By the way, I'm going on BBC Newsround on the 13th of July. I hope you can join me. I hope you are sharing my videos. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Now finally I managed to clone a chilli. I hope to make a video inshallah next week to show you how I cloned that chilli plant. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.